The Enforcement Directorate has summoned ex-cricketer Yuvraj Singh. He has been summoned in the online betting app case. I have Anushka joining us live. Anushka, not the first cricketer to be summoned. Give us more details.
That's right, Vedika. Yuvraj Singh has been summoned by the ED to be appearing in front of the ED on 23rd of September. He's not the first cricketer to be summoned in this case. Earlier, ED had summoned Shikhar Dhawan and Suresh Raina in the same case for promoting 1x betting app. Both of them were questioned for about 8 hours in the Delhi headquarters of ED. Now, this is, amid the ongoing case of ED regarding the illegal betting apps. The ED has, in fact, turned on the heat on the illegal betting apps that has been operating in India. Many of the high-profile betting apps like Mahadev betting apps and all such apps were in fact operational, and that is why ED had summoned not just cricketers, former cricketers, but also YouTube influencers and several of the media houses who have been involved in promoting the betting apps in India. Now, the Indian legislation was in fact also passed in 2023 that had claimed that all these betting apps were illegal in India. Many of the players and also celebrities were involved in endorsing these apps. Today, Urvashi Rautela had been summoned by the ED. She has neither confirmed nor denied that she will be appearing in front of the ED. Mimi Chakrabarti, who is the former TMC MP, was summoned yesterday. She had appeared in front of the ED and was questioned for 9 long hours regarding what kind of fees they were taking. Did they know or not whether these apps were illegal while they were promoting them? What was the mode of payment that was made to them, in these certain promotion and endorsement of apps? Not just that, it is also trying to, in fact, connect the links, connect the missing dots as to how these apps were reaching out to people. ED had also summoned tech giants like Google and Meta. ED had alleged that these, apps were in fact giving these, tech platforms were giving a premium, advertising platforms to the illegal betting apps so that they can reach a wider audience, and that is why we are seeing that the ED is in fact also summoning all those people who are involved in endorsing, promoting and advertising these apps. What kind of payment was made to them? What was the cost of payment of endorsing these apps? Several of the celebrities from South had been summoned, like Vijay Deverakonda, Prakash Raj, Rana Daggubati. All of them were summoned by the ED and were asked questions regarding their involvement and who was the person who was contacting them and was giving them offers to promote these kind of apps. Many of the celebrities had said that at that time they did not know that app was illegal, and they were...
Anushka, the web here is widening really in terms of the ED and the people they're calling in. Where does the investigation stand as of now? You've had actors, you've had cricketers being summoned. Where does the investigation stand? Because there are a whole lot of people who are being interrogated in this case.
That's right, Vedika. Right now, ED is trying to establish the link of the betting apps and the person who was mediating these kind of endorsement and promotion by the celebrities that was in fact being made. The offer to the celebrities largely have said that at that time they did not know that the app was illegal, and they were promoting this app on the states in which these apps were in fact legal in. Now, these apps, when they were banned, were using surrogate apps so that they can be linked to the people who are playing illegally. Many of the FIRs had been in fact registered at several different states in India. People had alleged that they were duped of lakhs and crores of rupees while using these kind of apps. And in India, we are also seeing that the legislation was in fact proposed in 2023, saying that any of the news channel broadcasters and online platforms should not be promoting any of these apps because it is illegal. And now we are seeing that the ED has given summons to all the cricketers, former cricketers, celebrities who are involved in fact promoting these apps. Many of apps like 1x betting app, this is the app for which many of the former cricketers and celebrities have been summoned. Urvashi Rautela has been summoned regarding 1x betting app. Mimi Chakrabarti was summoned regarding betting apps. Not just that, Suresh Raina and Shikhar Dhawan was in fact involved in promoting the same app is what the ED is alleging, and now we are seeing that the ED is questioning all of them and is in fact also trying to establish the link as to how those apps used to reach out to the former cricketers and also celebrities so that it can reach a wider audience. ED has also said that the illegal betting app industry has evaded tax worth thousands and crores of rupees, and now they were also in fact operating via surrogate apps so that more and more people can get linked and they can be in fact involved in playing these kind of
about
apps.
how the Indian law is being blatantly violated here through surrogate apps that are being used, but it takes you back to those QR codes which link you to these sites. So tell us how it is blatantly violating the Indian law.